I never thought that it'd be so simple, but I found the area, I found the area. If you open up your mind or press Math 9, it's gonna take some time to integrate. But if you get it right, your grade will inflate. Open your notebook, you know that I told you I'll always be helping you out when you're down. So just do some Calc.
Guys, we have to be working productively.
Dude, Greenway is so much better than Deli 51.
Dude, Deli 51 does their bacon right every time. I'm gonna get
Have
a
you
quality egg
tasted
sandwich.
Greenway's
Oh,
sandwich?
man.
Oh, sweet sub.
Oh, Mrs. Hafer's, man. I wanted to learn today.
Hello, your teacher, Mrs. Hafer, is not in today. However, I am your sub, Mrs. Thomson, but I am quite familiar with your topic of definite integrals, so we will continue to work productively and get busy. So I'm going to take attendance first. Craig? Eric?
Here.
John? John Haas? Okay, Drake.
Yeah, present.
And Josh.
Here.
Why are we learning about the fundamental theorem of calculus? Our teacher isn't even here.
Drake, it's actually a theorem, and I think it's pretty obvious. The fundamental theorem of calculus states that from A to B, the antiderivative of f of x is just f of b minus f of a. So you're going from one point to the other. You can find the area under the curve. And that's also if f is continuous on that interval. Come on, man.
Whatever.
Now, as for the second fundamental theorem of calculus,
Is the project coming along?
Projects.
just step back to look at what I got. So, Drake, can you read that for us?
Yeah, sure. Well, if you draw a really big S, and on the top there's a G, and then like a couple parentheses, and then an X, and on the bottom there's an H, and then parentheses and an X, you get in the middle like F and parentheses, and then you get a lot of H's and G's also. Josh, you want to take over?
Headaches. You give me headaches. Second fundamental theorem of calculus says from h of x to g of x of f of x, you get h prime of x times f of h of x minus g prime of x times f of g of x. It's actually pretty simple, and it's used universally.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So remember when doing your u substitutions, if you decide to leave it in terms of u, you need to change the bounds by plugging the original bounds into your new u. And I know Mrs. Hafer doesn't typically let you guys do group work, but I'll let you guys get a jump start on your homework. So get in small groups and get to work.
Sweet.
Eric, what's that for? Messing up the particle accelerator. Are you serious? That was not
Guys,
yes,
guys,
that was
guys,
all your
calm
fault.
down.
Leave, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Let's
you're
just
so
start our work here.
annoying.
Come on, let's just start our homework.
Hey! We need to be working productively. You guys were way too loud.
So what does the big S even mean?
It's not an S. A definite integral represents the area under a curve.
What about the subtraction sign in front? Like there.
It's a negative, not a minus sign. If an integral is negated, it's equal to the positive integral with the bound switched. Do you get that?
Not really, but it's fine.
Wait. Someone erased my first two answers on the homework. I'm so angry I could cross out this problem, but I'd rather pull the constant out of the integral and leave it on that outside, because you could do that too, you know.
Josh, no one cares.
Yeah? Well, do you care that if you have an integral from a to b of f of x and another integral from b to c of f of x, you can combine them and make it a to c from f of x? That's pretty cool.
I actually don't like you.
That's fine. Let's just work on some u-subs. Go to the next section.
Oh, I love you subs.